What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So yesterday I actually got brand new used tires installed on my truck, and I didn't do a before and after. Well, sorry, I did do before picture but not a video because it was so early and I was like, you know, I want to get this done. But here it is. So I have BF Goodrich KO2s 275/70/18. That's what the truck is sitting on now. Just look at that. Nice, dude. It is so much beefier. It's amazing. And the truck is not lifted yet, but the tires made it a 1-inch lift, just the 275. But yeah, amazing, guys. It just does a night and day difference on how more pleasing and beefy the truck looks. So I also posted my set of tires I have right here for sale on OfferUp, and I have a buyer today. So one day, flip around, I bought these off OfferUp, which I'll show the screenshot right here, for $300 for these, and I'm gonna sell I posted these for $300. And the guy's coming today from Santa Ana. I live in Chino Hills. So yeah, he's gonna buy these for $300. So I'm breaking even. So I'm super happy about that. But next week I should be getting my lift kit in and then installing it on that truck. Hopefully. And then yeah. So look at this car right here. Cars and Coffee. I'll probably go over there right now, but I'm not gonna film that because this video is just about my KO2s. So happy I got these, so happy. The guy was trying to upsell me on 285. No, wait, was it 285? There were 35s, and the lift kit can only go up to 33s, fit tire size of 33. So I was like, no. He's like, no, they'll fit. I go, that's not what the instructions say on the lift kit. So I'm just head over heels for these, dude. It just changed the whole outlook of the truck. Amazing, guys. I'll put some few pictures right here, but I'm gonna do the sale, then see if he buys them. All right.